Then the one will be defeated. What was I? All right. I'm just fighting in the function. Fantastic. You see, they say why they train these factories, they say that ordinarily people thought they should face each other with the symbol. That's why it's very gratifying. We were very impressed with what we have seen. It's amazing that the Rumuola-Rumuokwuta flyover, which is the 12th flyover we have constructed since 2019 till now, it's about 4 years. Judge Berger has done quite very impressive job, and the quality is amazing, and that is why we have always said our people deserve the best. I'm sure that residents in that area are happy. You know, when we started that work 8 months ago, of course, you know, the impatience of people. Are you sure that these jobs will not be abandoned? And like we promised, we are not going to abandon any of the projects we have started. But to God be the glory. We're expecting the president-elect on the 3rd or 4th to commission the 12th flyover and the Magistrates Court. You can see the Magistrates Court buildings, how amazing it is too. And we commend the contractor too, who have done this job and quite on time. I don't think I find this anywhere in this part of the country. I don't think you can find that. It's amazing. Remember when the president-elect came to campaign in River State and he paid us a courtesy call at the government house, we did say that, well, it's unfortunate it was late then. We had invited presidential candidates of other parties like the Labour, the NNPP. They all came and commissioned projects, and we did say to him that we believe that after the election, we are going to invite him to commission projects too. And luckily, these 2 very important projects are ready. And Rivers people will, of course, attest to the fact that we have given our best, and we thank God glory that it has turned out this way. But very, very excellently, very, 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 very. We can say and beat our chest. We can go home satisfied that we have not disappointed our people. Frankly speaking, in fact, part of the activities to mark the inauguration of the new governor for the people of the state will be commissioning of other impactful projects. You remember when the IGP came last time to commission the intelligence center, we did promise him that we want to build another intelligence center. As I speak to you now, that center is ready. Some other projects are the Girls Harrison Health Center is there. The dental Mancino is also there. As we passed up the road, you have seen. So many other projects were lined up for commission, are also flagging off major projects that the new administration will continue with. So we think that it's not just this though. So other projects are lined up as part of the activities marking the inauguration of the new administration.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.